Chicken fucker squad.
Oh, warbird, warcock. It's the same thing.
Except the scuffed cringiness. Like Cyclops said.
Or a dildo with arms holding up the fucking M16.
Cam over here backing it up.
The warcock.
Yeah, buddy. That was a 5 kill on that bus. Got a max inside too. Oh, nice. Wow. Got somebody named Cock Collector.
Well, at least he's not a goblin.
Mucho infantry. They're pouring through these rocks. Bus deployed on this side of the world, but we should probably get out. Oh, you're in the back, so I'm sorry.
That's a lot of shit. Are they bunch trying to hide after?
Sorry about that, man. I wasn't trying to eject you. I just didn't know you were back there.
Yeah, I was healing
That
you.
fucking mortar.
Yeah, check.
Real stupid over here. The next
Yeah. Let's go deep into the nether where we can hit the shit on the back of the wall.
We got a Vanguard looking at us.
Got this yellow Vanguard on fire. He's down.
Boxes, front, right.
Boxes front right.
He's coming around. Here he is. It's Kamikaze himself.
Eat it.
Fuck, get out of the way.
Dude.
Oh, we're dying.
Can't accept that perfectly.
It's knocked away.
Friendly Fox house.
Reload. We'll shoot these mines. Guess this guy out.
Fuck the mines.
Oh, nice, dude.
Cool.
Nice.
Well, everybody's dead, but
That was.
Can you do it?